As a surgeon and medical researcher with over 20 years of experience studying brain health and aging, I've seen how cognitive decline quietly affects seniors. But the good news is, certain foods, just 3 simple foods, can help protect your brain power, boost memory, and slow cognitive aging. As we age, brain function naturally declines. Memory lapses, slower thinking, and difficulty focusing are common. Research shows that lifestyle factors, especially diet, have a huge impact on maintaining cognitive health. Choosing the right foods can literally protect your neurons and keep your mind sharp and active for years. Before we dive in, tell me, do you notice memory lapses or trouble focusing after 60? Comment below. Your experience could help others discover foods that protect brain health. As we get older, our brains lose volume, blood flow decreases, and oxidative stress can damage neurons. Studies in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience show that antioxidants and healthy fats can reduce this damage and preserve cognitive function. A 2019 study in Alzheimer's dementia found that seniors consuming nutrient-rich diets experienced slower memory decline than those with low-quality diets, proving how powerfully food choices influence brain health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Research from Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2010, shows that older adults who eat blueberries regularly have improved memory and cognitive function. Just a handful a few times a week can make a measurable difference. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which is crucial for brain cell structure. A 2015 study in neurology found seniors who ate fatty fish at least once a week had better memory retention and slower cognitive decline. Omega-3s also improve blood flow to the brain, reduce inflammation, and support overall mental clarity. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins K, E, and folate, which protect brain cells and support neurotransmitter function. A 2018 study in neurology found seniors eating leafy greens daily scored significantly higher on cognitive tests than those who rarely ate them. To get the full benefit of these foods, include at least a handful of blueberries 3 to 4 times a week, eat fatty fish 1 to 2 times a week, add leafy greens to daily meals, smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes. Combine these with regular physical activity, proper sleep, and mental exercises for maximum brain protection. Other ways to protect your brain: stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration impairs cognitive function. Limit processed sugars and trans fats, which accelerate brain aging. Engage in mentally stimulating activities like reading, puzzles, or learning new skills. And most importantly, stay socially active. Meaningful conversations and connections stimulate brain circuits and improve emotional well-being. Most people don't realize that brain health begins in the gut. A balanced gut microbiome produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which directly influence memory and mood. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can support this vital connection. Chronic stress is another hidden enemy of memory. Elevated cortisol over time damages the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Simple relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or mindfulness meditation can protect this crucial region. Sleep plays a massive role in memory consolidation. During deep sleep, your brain clears out toxins that build up during the day. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to help preserve focus and recall. Physical activity doesn't just strengthen your body, it increases blood flow to the brain and stimulates the growth of new neural connections. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week can make a measurable difference in cognitive performance. Don't underestimate hydration. Studies show that a 2% drop in hydration can impair short-term memory and attention span. Keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day, especially if you take medications that may cause dehydration. Small, consistent dietary habits work better than occasional bursts of effort. It's not about one superfood, it's about creating a brain-friendly environment every single day. Adding a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or a handful of walnuts can further boost the effects of these foods by supplying polyphenol and healthy fats. Cutting back on processed carbs and excess sugar stabilizes blood glucose, which helps prevent the mental fatigue often mistaken for aging. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is another essential factor. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to increased risk of dementia and cognitive decline. Spending just 15 minutes in sunlight or taking a supplement under medical advice can help. Caffeine in moderation, such as a cup of green tea or black coffee, can improve focus and alertness, thanks to compounds that enhance brain signaling. The goal is not perfection but consistency. Even small improvements in diet and lifestyle can produce measurable brain benefits within weeks. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you challenge it and nourish it, the stronger and more resilient it becomes. Try learning a new language, playing an instrument, or even cooking a new recipe. Each of these activities forms new neural pathways. Social engagement also stimulates memory centers. Regularly spending time with friends, family, or community groups helps delay cognitive decline. Protecting your brain also means protecting your heart. Both organs share similar blood vessel networks. A heart-healthy diet is often a brain-healthy one. Adding color to your plate, reds, purples, greens, and oranges, ensures a wide range of phytonutrients that fight oxidative stress. If you smoke, quitting is one of the most powerful ways to protect your neurons. Tobacco constricts blood vessels and reduces oxygen supply to the brain. Alcohol, too, should be used with care. Moderate consumption may not harm, but chronic overuse accelerates neuron loss. Remember, longevity isn't just about living longer, it's about staying mentally sharp and emotionally vibrant as you age. If you're over 60, adding these 3 foods to your diet can help protect your brain and slow cognitive decline. Start today and make small, consistent changes. Your memory and mental sharpness will thank you. Have you tried any of these foods? Or do you have a favorite brain-boosting meal? Share it in the comments. Your tip could help someone maintain their mental edge and live a brighter, sharper life as they age.